Since owning my car, I've had a little bit of an annoying problem, and it's to do with the exhaust. If you watched my video where I revealed the car, you would know what I'm on about because I tried to give you a bit of a sound clip, but I'll insert that here. Although watching that clip back, it does sound a little bit rattly, so I'm gonna have to get that sorted. But you can hear there's a really annoying rattle coming from the back box. And that's got even worse, look. It sounds ass, but don't worry, because instead of trying to fix it, I've just bought a brand new back box. Yes, it is the same one we already have on it, but that's because it's from MX5 parts, which is literally around the corner from me, and there's not a lot of other dual exit back box options, unless you go custom. Probably could have done that for when we turbo it, but this will do for now. I did arrange for them to fit it because they actually fit back boxes for free. However, they couldn't do it for a couple weeks and it just sounds that horrendous. I wanted to get it done and may as well learn how to do stuff yourself. But from the videos I've watched, it does seem a little simple. It's literally just a couple of bolts and off the hangers, but things are never simple with cars. So we've brought Ollie to help. But we've parked out the way in a car park that isn't for like a store or anything like that. So we do have time to do it. So let's get this box open and see how the brand new one looks. We've decided to jack it up on the lower control arm and then put the axle stands on the frame rails because good old MX5 seals aren't the greatest. Yeah, I know they definitely need doing. Mark III MX5 has come to help out. First two hangers are off. We have got one more, but it's been a bit of a pain in the ass to come off. We managed to get the back box out, but I can kind of show you now exactly what's wrong with it. Ollie. It is literally like a maraca. It was pretty simple. As I've just had the centre pipe replaced, the bolts weren't too hard to get out. And then literally it's just 3 exhaust hangers, which were perished, so were a little bit tricky, but we managed to do it. Mechanic. Although with no back box, that only leaves us with one thing to do. Careful, it's like vibrating on the jack. Clearly, as you can see, not the best idea to do that whilst it's on jack stands, but now for the next fun part, we got to try and get this nice new shiny exhaust onto here. Like I said, it is literally the exact same exhaust, just this one's nice and shiny and it doesn't rattle. Look at those nice coilovers and then bloody drop links that didn't want to come out at all.
Yeah, it's just spinning.
Yeah. Right, we've done it. The nice new shiny back box is on. We did just turn the car on to see if there was a blow where the back box meets the centre pipe, but there wasn't. We actually did it. We've done a decent job. It is sitting a little bit lower this side, but we think that's because that exhaust hanger was more perished than them two over there. But we've just lowered the car and now it is time for the moment of truth. Is the rattle finally gone when I rev it? Man, I really hope it is and it isn't just the heat shields. All right, rev it, let's see. Yeah, it's gone. Come on. My God, you don't know how nice it is to be able to rev my car and not hear a stupid little rattle on the end. But it's all good revving it. Let's take it out for a drive. Sun's out, roof's down, so it is the perfect time to get a real sound of the exhaust. It's nice because it's not like crazy loud, but it's still inside the car. It sounds so nice. I didn't catch that. But there was a few sound clips. I'm not sure how much it picked up because of the wind noise, but I am over the moon. Changing the back box literally completely sorted the rattling. Like I said, when I've done my coilovers, I still have a couple of knocks under my car that I need to diagnose, but you know, mod it before you fix it. Like I said, I could have just left it to MX5 parts, but it would have taken 2 weeks. And to be fair, that literally took us about an hour and a half. God, I am so happy. And now that's done, I can get out of this crappy t-shirt and finally enjoy this heat wave with my roof down and not be embarrassed every time I go past someone. We will probably need to change the exhaust in the future because I do really want to turbo the car, so you will have to make changes there. I know that, but I just wanted to sort it for now. I don't know what's next for the MX5. I probably need to sort the seals and the chassis rails by the looks of it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.